You eat an egg every morning. But do you actually know what happens inside your body? The moment you take that first bite, the moment she bites, it begins. Saliva enzymes immediately start breaking down the egg. Chewed and broken down, it travels down the esophagus, not as a solid chunk, as a soft flowing mass. The stomach, gastric acid floods in. The egg protein, those long tight chains, begin to unravel. Now fully liquid, it enters the small intestine. The pancreas releases a flood of enzymes, finishing the breakdown. The intestinal wall is covered in millions of tiny finger-like villi. And right now, they are absorbing the egg's amino acids directly into your blood. Those amino acids are now in your bloodstream, racing toward where they are needed most. Amino acids reach the muscles, rebuilding, repairing, and the egg yolk's HDL cholesterol quietly protects your heart. One egg, every system activated, every organ fed. This is what happens every single time. Eat one egg every day. Your body knows exactly what to do with it.